महाराष्ट्रातील अग्रगण्य संस्था कानके केमिस्ट्री अकॅडमी 3 जून पासून सुरू होत आहे. खास 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स मध्ये प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ऑनलाईन क्लासेस. ऑनलाईन साठी कुठलीही फी नाही. नीट, JEE, MHT, CET साठी स्पेशल बॅचेस. आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा. कॉल 9822600918 किंवा 9325729992.
Hello students, last time we started the buffer solution and also discussed what is buffer solution and type of buffer solution. Now our next part from equilibria, that is the solubility. So what is the solubility? Solubility, the maximum amount of substance that dissolve in given quantity of solvent at constant temperature. The maximum amount of substance, the maximum amount of substance that dissolve, maximum amount of substance that dissolve in given quantity of solvent at constant temperature is known as the solubility. So what is the solubility? Maximum amount of substance that dissolve in given quantity of solvent at constant temperature. So here temperature is constant because solubility depends on temperature. Solubility is also expressed in gram per ml. Solubility is also expressed in, that is the mole per liter. So these are the various units of solubility. What is the solubility? Maximum amount of substance that dissolve in given quantity of solvent is known as the solubility. Then there is one more term that is the molar solubility. So what is the molar solubility? Molar solubility, there is difference in between the molarity and molar solubility. दोघांची युनिट सेमच आहेत. मोलर solubility expressed in mole per liter and molarity also expressed in mole per liter. So what is the molar solubility? The number of moles of compound, the number of moles of compound, the number of moles of compound that dissolve to give 1 liter saturated solution at constant temperature is known as the molar solubility. What is the molar solubility? The number of moles of compound or the number of moles of substance that dissolve to give 1 liter of saturated solution at given temperature or at constant temperature. What is the molarity? Molarity means what? The number of moles of the substance that dissolve in 1 liter of solution. म्हणजे मोलॅरिटीच्या वेळेस सोल्युशन सॅच्युरेटेड असायलाच पाहिजे असं अजिबात नाही आहे. इट मे बी सॅच्युरेटेड, इट मे बी अनसॅच्युरेटेड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज दिस इज द 1 liter ऑफ सोल्युशन. आपण काय म्हटलं, it is 1 liter of solution, and in this 1 liter of solution, how many moles of compound? X moles of compound. म्हणजे सोल्युशनचं व्हॉल्यूम किती आहे? 1 लिटर. हाऊ मेनी मोल्स? किती मोल्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये? X मोल. 1 लिटर ऑफ सोल्युशन कंटेनिंग हाऊ मेनी मोल? X मोल्स. म्हणून आपण याला काय म्हणू शकतो? व्हॉट इज मोलॅरिटी ऑफ दिस सोल्युशन? That is the X is the molarity of this solution, X mole per liter. If given solution is the saturated solution, जर आता हे सोल्युशन कसं असेल? सॅच्युरेटेड. म्हणजेच काय? X moles of compound that dissolve to gives 1 liter of saturated solution at constant temperature is known as the molar solubility. So what is molar solubility? The number of moles of compound that dissolve to gives 1 liter of saturated solution. म्हणजेच काय की 1 लिटर सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशनमध्ये किती मोल्स आहेत? हाऊ मेनी मोल्स ऑफ सबस्टन्स, हाऊ मेनी मोल्स ऑफ कंपाऊंड प्रेझेंट इन 1 लिटर ऑफ सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन इज नोन ॲज द मोलर सोल्युबिलिटी. इज नोन ॲज द मोलर सोल्युबिलिटी. आता मोलर सोल्युबिलिटीची कंडिशन काय असणार आहे? तर दॅट इज द सोल्युशन इज सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. सो दिस इज अबाउट द सोल्युबिलिटी अँड मोलर सोल्युबिलिटी. नाउ सोल्युबिलिटी is different for different compounds. Solubility of all compounds are not same. प्रत्येक कंपाऊंडची solubility ही सेम असणार नाही. म्हणजे काय? when we consider the cations of first group, cations of first group म्हणजे काय? suppose Na plus, then that is K plus, then that is the rubidium plus or cesium plus. When they combine with anion, for example Na plus combine with Cl minus, म्हणजेच काय? NaCl, KCl, then RbCl and cesium chloride, CsCl. They are highly soluble in water. Such type of compounds are highly soluble in water. Or when we consider the one more cation, NH4 plus and Cl minus, ammonium chloride, it is also highly soluble आणि जनरली याची सोल्युबिलिटी आपण वॉटरमध्ये कन्सिडर करत आहोत. म्हणजे कॅटायन्स ऑफ फर्स्ट ग्रुप. फर्स्ट ग्रुप म्हणजे कुठला? लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटॅशियम, रुबिडियम, सीसियम, फ्रान्सियम. हिअर वी नॉट कन्सिडर द फ्रान्सियम बिकॉज फ्रान्सियम इज रेडिओएक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट. सो these compounds are highly soluble. Then when we consider that is compounds like AgCl, compounds like AgBr and compounds like AgI. Such type of compounds are sparingly soluble. As well as when we consider the compound like that is the calcium fluoride, these are the less soluble. This is also less soluble or sparingly soluble. Calcium fluoride is less soluble. Then barium sulfate also less soluble. Then zinc sulfide, then this sulfide of bismuth, then phosphate, various phosphate. These compounds are generally insoluble or these compounds are sparingly soluble. याला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? sparingly soluble. sparingly soluble. What is meaning of sparingly soluble? Sparingly soluble म्हणजे काय? Less soluble. These compounds are sparingly soluble or these compounds are less soluble. These compounds are more soluble. Now AgCl, AgBr, AgI यांचं जर आपण कन्सिडर केलं तर डेफिनेटली ऑल दिस आर लेस सोल्युबल, इनसोल्युबल or we say that it is the sparingly soluble. इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री सांगताना आपण याला इनसोल्युबल असं म्हणत असतो आणि फिजिकल केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये आपण याची सोल्युबिलिटी कंपेअर करतो. म्हणजे काय? AgCl, AgBr, AgI definitely they are sparingly soluble, but which is comparatively more soluble and which is comparatively less soluble. Suppose आपण जर एक 3 compound consider केले, as we consider all these 3 compounds, AgCl, AgBr and AgI, which is less soluble and which is more soluble. So see this one, that is the AgCl, AgBr and AgI. Here we consider the Fajans rule, जो आपण 11th मध्ये डिस्कस केलेला आहे. Fajans rule. What is the Fajans rule? Fajans rule. So what is the Fajans rule? Fajans rule, it states that larger is the anion, more is the covalent character. And when covalent character increases, solubility decreases. Purgeon's rule काय सांगतोय की anion जर large असेल तर covalent character वाढतील, and when covalent character increases, solubility कमी होईल. So larger is the anion, more covalent characters. If covalent characters increases, solubility decreases. As we go down the group, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus in 17 group, what happen? Ionic size increases. As ionic size increases, then solubility decreases. Therefore, AgCl is more soluble than the AgBr, and AgBr is more soluble than AgI. In fact, all these three compounds are sparingly soluble, but in comparison, ह्या तीनचं जर comparison केलं तर AgCl यांच्यामध्ये जास्त soluble आहे. Why? Because minimum covalent character. So here covalent character, order of covalent character increases. इथं काय होतील? covalent character वाढतील, आणि covalent character जास्त कुठं आहेत? AgI, आणि म्हणून AgI ची solubility कशी असेल? सर्वात कमी असेल. आणि एक गोष्ट नोट डाऊन करा, all these compounds are sparingly soluble. Why we consider the more soluble and sparingly soluble? So solubility product, आपण जो याच्यानंतर जो पार्ट पाहणार आहोत, solubility product, solubility equilibria, this part is specially applicable for sparingly soluble substances or sparingly soluble salt. In fact, all these compounds are salt. मग आता आपण Na प्लस K प्लस किंवा NaCl KCl यांना जर कन्सिडर केलं तर दे आर हायली सोल्युबल इन वॉटर. आणि इकडं जे आत्ता कंपाऊंड मी लिहिलेले आहेत AgCl किंवा AgBr, AgI, फॉस्फेट्स, झिंक सल्फाइड्स, such type of compounds are sparingly soluble. म्हणजे sparingly, very less amount of substance dissolve in a given solvent, आणि म्हणून याला काय म्हटलं आपण? sparingly soluble. Now next part, that is the solubility equilibria. मग आता solubility equilibria and solubility product, both these parts are applicable only for the sparingly soluble salt. So what is the solubility equilibria? Solubility equilibria. What is the solubility equilibria? So consider any one of the sparingly soluble substance or sparingly soluble salt. कुठलाही आपण एखादा sparingly soluble substance consider करतोय. मी परत एकदा सांगतोय, solubility equilibria किंवा मग solubility product, this part is applicable only for the sparingly soluble substances, not for those substances which are highly soluble. म्हणजे काय की solubility product आपण NaCl किंवा KCl अशा कंपाऊंडसाठी नाही देणार. आपण कुठल्या कंपाऊंडसाठी देणार? those which are the sparingly soluble. For example, silver chloride, calcium phosphate, zinc sulfide, barium sulfate. Such type of compounds are sparingly soluble, and therefore solubility product is applicable for this type of sparingly soluble substances. Now consider the AgCl. This AgCl is the sparingly soluble substance. AgCl is sparingly soluble salt. Sparingly means what? It is very less amount of substance is dissolved in a solvent, say it is water. When we take the AgCl, so AgCl is dissolved in water. AgCl is the sparingly soluble salt, as well as AgCl is the strong electrolyte. In fact, most of the salts are strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte म्हणजे काय? Those dissociates completely or almost completely is known as the strong electrolyte. म्हणजे दोन गोष्टी इथं कन्सिडर करायला लागतील. AgCl sparingly soluble म्हणजे तो कमी प्रमाणात डिझॉल्व्ह होईल, आणि तो स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट म्हणजे जेवढा डिझॉल्व्ह होईल तेवढा तो सगळा डिसोशिएट होईल. इज इट क्लिअर? AgCl is the sparingly soluble substance. A less amount of AgCl dissolve in water, आणि जेवढा तो डिझॉल्व्ह होईल तेवढा सगळा काय होईल? डिसोशिएट होईल. म्हणजे काय की सी दिस वन, when we consider the AgCl as it is the sparingly soluble and as you take the AgCl, those amount of AgCl that dissolve in water, it get dissociate. जेवढा डिझॉल्व होईल तेवढा तो सगळा काय होईल, डिसोशिएट होईल, आणि त्याच्यामुळे इट गिव्स द सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन इन व्हेरी किंवा इन शॉर्ट पिरियड किंवा कमी वेळ त्याचं काय मिळेल, सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. इफ सबस्टन्स इज मोर सोल्युबल, त्याचं जर एखादा सबस्टन्स जास्त सोल्युबल असेल तर त्याचं सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन लवकर मिळणार नाही, आणि जर एखादा सबस्टन्स कमी सोल्युबल असेल तर त्याचं सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन लवकर मिळेल. सो व्हेरी लेस अमाऊंट ऑफ AgCl डिझॉल्व इन वॉटर, आणि त्याच्यानंतर तो वॉटरमध्ये डिझॉल्व व्हायचा बंद होईल, अँड देन इट फॉर्मिंग द सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. तर लगेच काय देईल, सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. म्हणजे काय, दिस इज द AgCl, it is in solid state, very less amount of AgCl dissolve in water, very less amount of AgCl dissolve in water, so it is the AgCl aqueous, and those AgCl which is dissolved in water, it get dissociates and it gives Ag plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous. म्हणजे काय, हा कसा आहे, स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल, less amount of AgCl dissolve in water, this is the dissolved form, and those dissolve in water immediately dissociate, it gives the Ag plus and Cl minus ion. म्हणजे जेवढा डिझॉल्व होईल तेवढा तो डिसोशिएट होईल. व्हाय डिसोशिएट्स कम्प्लिटली, बिकॉज इट इज स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. Why it dissolve? Very small amount of AgCl dissolve to prepare the saturated solution, because it is sparingly soluble. हा आहे sparingly soluble, आणि म्हणून मी काय म्हटलंय की याचा खूप कमी AgCl खूप कमी प्रमाणात वॉटरमध्ये डिझॉल्व होईल, आणि जेवढा तो डिझॉल्व होईल तेवढा तो काय होईल, डिसोशिएट होईल. स्मॉल अमाऊंट ऑफ AgCl गेट डिझॉल्व इन वॉटर, अँड ऑल दॅट अमाऊंट डिझॉल्व इन वॉटर इट गेट डिसोशिएट, and it gives the Ag plus and Cl minus aqueous. म्हणून आपण असे लिहू शकतो मग AgCl, it is the solid. हा AgCl या फॉर्ममध्ये असणार नाही, तो कुठल्या फॉर्ममध्ये असेल, इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिसोशिएटेड, सो इट गेट डिसोशिएट्स, आणि AgClच्या ऐवजी मग काय लिहू आपण, व्हॉट इज दिस, Ag प्लस aqueous and Cl minus aqueous. So Ag plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous, and here dynamic equilibrium is established in between the dissolved and undissolved substance, and this dynamic equilibrium is known as the solubility equilibrium or solubility equilibrium. म्हणजे काय, dissolve आणि undissolve याच्यामध्ये इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टॅब्लिश होईल. So dissolve and undissolved equilibrium is established. What is this part? It is the dissolved part. What is this? It is the undissolved part, and equilibrium is established in between the dissolved, either AgCl aqueous or Ag plus and Cl minus aqueous. This is known as the dissolved, कारण जेवढा dissolved होईल तेवढा dissociate होईल, आणि हा काय झाला, undissolved. So dynamic equilibrium is established in between the dissolved and undissolved substance, and this is known as the solubility equilibrium. This is known as the solubility equilibrium. So very simple, sparingly soluble substance that dissolve in a given solvent, आणि जेवढा तो डिझॉल्व होईल तेवढा तो डिसोशिएट होईल, and therefore equilibrium is established in between the undissolved and dissolved, or equilibrium is established in between the undissolved solid substances and ions form, and this dynamic equilibrium is known as the solubility equilibrium. So this is about the solubility equilibrium, and again remember this solubility equilibrium is applicable only for the sparingly soluble salt. So it is applicable only for sparingly soluble salt. Solubility is given by the letter S. And now next part is the solubility product. So what is next part? It is the solubility product. Solubility product, and this solubility product is represented as KSP. So what is the solubility product? It is applicable only for स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सबस्टन्स. आपण फिजिकलमध्ये याला स्पॅरिंगली असं म्हणू शकतो, इनऑर्गॅनिकमध्ये आपण याला क्लिअरली इनसोल्युबल असंच म्हणतो. कारण स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल, व्हेरी लेस amount of substance dissolve in a given solvent, so they are called as the sparingly soluble. So consider the again same AgCl, which is the sparingly soluble, and this AgCl, as it is the sparingly soluble, therefore equilibrium is established in between undissolved and dissolved. This is solubility equilibrium, Ag plus Cl minus aqueous. Apply the law of mass action to write the equilibrium constant. तुम्हाला मी सांगितलेलं आहे how to apply the law of mass action. So apply the law of mass action and write the equilibrium constant. So what is this? Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus upon concentration of AgCl. And always remember, as it is the sparingly soluble, म्हणजेच काय, very less amount of substance is dissolved, and if any one of the substance is sparingly soluble, in solubility product its concentration taken to be the constant. जर एखादा सबस्टन्स स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल असेल तर सोल्युबिलिटी प्रॉडक्ट घेताना त्याचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काय घेतात, कॉन्स्टंट घेतात. सो रिमेंबर, AgCl, concentration of AgCl remain constant. Why it is constant? Because it is sparingly soluble, so most of the part remain undissolved, very part get dissolved, therefore practically its concentration remain constant and taken as a K dash. तो आपण काय घेतला, K dash. Then we write the above equation. K is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus upon K dash. Then we also write that K into K dash is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. K is constant, K dash is constant, and product of these two constant is also constant, is known as the Ksp, and this Ksp is the solubility product. So what is the solubility product? Ag plus and Cl minus. So remember, this is the solubility product. Ksp is equal to Ag plus and Cl minus. So what is the solubility product? It is the product of molar concentrations of ions. It is the product of molar concentrations of ions of sparingly soluble substances in its saturated solution. ही डेफिनेशन आपण पुढे लिहिणार आहोतच. सो व्हॉट इज द सोल्युबिलिटी प्रॉडक्ट? इट इज द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ Ag प्लस अँड Cl मायनस. स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. मग Ag प्लसचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आणि Cl मायनसचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन यांचा गुणाकार. द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ मोलर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन्स ऑफ आयन्स, द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ मोलर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन्स ऑफ आयन्स ऑफ sparingly soluble salt raised to their appropriate power, याचे मीनिंग सांगतो, raised to their appropriate power in its saturated solution at constant temperature. म्हणजे काय, टेम्परेचर कॉन्स्टंट असायला पाहिजे, सोल्युशन कसं असायला पाहिजे, सॅच्युरेटेड असायला पाहिजे, तरच आपण काय देऊ शकतो, Ksp. मी जर असं लिहित असेल, पहा, सपोज when we write the CaF2. So what is the equilibria? What is the solubility equilibria? It gives the Ca2 plus and twice of F minus. Then we write the Ksp. What is the Ksp? आता काय येईल, concentration of Ca2 plus into concentration of F minus raised to 2 म्हणून म्हटलं appropriate power. So what is the solubility product? This is the sparingly soluble salt. What is this? Molar concentration of calcium cation. What is this? F minus. It is the molar concentration of fluoride anion raised to 2. म्हणजे काय, how many moles? 2. म्हणून raised to 2. Raised to appropriate power. म्हणजेच काय आहे पहा, the product of molar concentrations of ions, the product of molar product म्हणजे गुणाकार, the product of molar concentrations of ions of sparingly soluble salt raised to their appropriate power in its saturated solution at constant temperature is known as the solubility product. जे समोर आहे तेच लिहायचं आहे आपल्याला. डेफिनेशन पुढे लिहिणारच मी. KSP solubility product. What is the solubility product? The product of molar concentration of ions. Ions कुणाचे? Molar concentrations of ions of sparingly soluble salt raised to their appropriate power. Raised to their appropriate power कशामध्ये? In its saturated solution, raised to their appropriate power in its saturated solution at constant temperature is known as the solubility product. Is known as the solubility product. Then in general, when we consider this salt BXAY, in general it gives XB Y plus and YA X minus. Therefore, what is the solubility product? KSP is equal to concentration of B Y plus raised to X and concentration of A X minus raised to Y. This is also solubility product. So it is in general salt BXAY. For example, when we write this barium sulfate, what is its solubility equilibria? Undissolve and dissolve. जो dissolve होईल तो काय होईल? Dissociate होईल. Ba2 plus aqueous. And what is this? SO4 2 minus aqueous. Therefore, what is the KSP? Very simple. This is cation, this is the anion. Their molar concentration Ba2 plus SO4 2 minus, or when we consider the one more, suppose sulfide of bismuth Bi2S3, that gives, it is the solid, that gives yes twice of Bi3 plus thrice of sulfide 2 minus aqueous. This is aqueous म्हणजे एक dissolved form. Then what is the KSP? KSP that gives the yes bismuth 3 plus raised to 2, how many moles? 2 mole. Sulfide raised to appropriate power, how many moles? 3 moles. Very simple. One more example. Calcium phosphate Ca3 PO4 twice. When salt containing the phosphate, in most of the cases it is sparingly soluble. So what is this? Thrice of Ca2 plus aqueous. Dissociation कसं होईल? Thrice of Ca2 plus aqueous twice of PO4 3 minus. हे नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं की ओव्हरऑल डिसोसिएशन सुद्धा काय असायला पाहिजे? न्यूट्रल. म्हणजे काय? 3 into 2 plus 6, 2 into 3 minus 6, plus 6 minus 6 0. Then what is the KSP? काय असणार आहे KSP? KSP is equal to concentration of Ca2 plus into concentration of PO4 3 minus raised to their appropriate power. How many moles? 3. So raised to 3. How many moles? 2. That is raised to 2. So remember, this is the solubility product. म्हणजे by knowing the dissociation, we can write. By knowing the dissociation, we can write the solubility product for any type of sparingly soluble salt. And there is one relation. Suppose when we consider this salt, there is relation in between the solubility and solubility product. So relation between solubility and solubility product. So relation between solubility and solubility product. So it is one separate part. So relation between S and KSP. So what is the relation? Suppose we consider salt like this one, BXAY. So what is this? It is the BXAY. What is the relation between solubility and solubility product. So this relation is the KSP is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, s raised to x plus y. हे आपण डिराइव करणार आहोत. सो KSP is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, s raised to x plus y. आणि हे रिलेशन आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. ओके.